kaboma puduos yentimi franje we one who say senior national team ni win trophy da Bazooka dey wa atena say wani feel one say senior national team ni win trophy ni di twi solo ku ni team di solo ku ye okroma wouldn't me a team this solo ku say blaster win game back like tournament na fan say blaster win half corner wouldn't me a team dey ye okroma no say
now obi on okra be wo hwe Basa ja
Ediane discount bomb mo. I had discount there anyway no. I want it for me.
O wana tie, ana tie.
O te fiche na atotoma na me kana mi nyasem.
Amafo
me kana mi nyasem.
Na no ya de abasa ya na mo bono kura mpo ihwe. Na say ya de kura headwarati. Your board draw with England. Ya de board draw kura ha enim ha.
I don't know. I have all the additional questions. Obey a chemo. I have all the additional questions. Obey a chemo. May man tell you when I'll come. He's okay. When I go forward, you man. Example on a lighter note. I don't know. You inform me. Need the it will be a Felisa.
Yes. Next month, we find a crime.
So now you coordinator.
Next month, we find a crime.
Oh, now you coordinator. Eti Bazooka. One was an eti no. Ye who trophy da. Eti send ye yini ye say ye know ye ko. Ti ye betina sesa ye who serve last year we need trophy.
Am be jina hye dem.
Na ntimi fa gisolo ko no. Wow, na te dem sa na born na no. Say Cardier we package 2004. Cardier we package 2006 Adie package 2027 Adie we case 2028 and now Kasata Mbe 2057. Wow. These are things Bazooka obia no say wo ko akwa to ade ya. O preference. Oh, tag on normal was set the idea go. Now they are quack. And aside that, no so no, or your budget. What you say? Or your budget, and why we won't coach our quack. But me, say a budget in bit me afa Carlos Correz, yeah. Then that budget in so bit me afa available not. Because even that category in the crano, ABA Carlos Correz because say, we are coaching top clubs in Europe, you know, because in the standard never so. But when it comes to African terrain, standard never form. African terrain and the standard near there our form BBI the terrain there you when Jimmy says yeah the terrain there you know these are things that we have to consider before hiring a new coach. But the tennis I say you're doing your interest no more than Nippon or Baba ye you man and any problem no
and no I Ghana yeah so yeah the no so as a Lapopo tie jumadi no ma yenchiano 95.5 FM so yeah brand I bio intino yeah sorry so I don't know na Master K Day and so aba betua so etimi e dia mama china be local stories do do na betumi and so aba yeah wa kwan mo inti forward ever backwards never human blood factory bloss fee no modin akone kokwaje odie na enema enye kama obogu ne yewo inti 0558319081 and for whatever backwards never human blood factory medin komo memedro start about center new best my capsules so sisimbe dia na the new best my capsules no na betumi enso aboa ojo so na mo hihye na mo sare gonorrhea syphilis ebedwane a new best my capsules na drone nya na drugstores pharmacy shops herbal shops outdoor so na decent herbal center nkoko mu na mubutu vanico natural herbal powder no e wo dwa so oye juma akrabia no abra osisi ya oya oba ya na bosome so na wo kema mo bi atonka ho tutu aposo eno achi ne immune system na ho odin bebe mu a na vanico natural herbal powder eno ne betumi enso aboawa enye easy cry drone de konongo polena wo bi agogo na o kind drugstore enso obi dwa so benkomene herbal shop on sabetumi account here na wa yisu apomodin ho hiayen eno aye vanico natural herbal powder GB na entimi enso mo 0557737143 KGT traveling and tours yeah shipping and logistics KGT Ventures omeboa ye pa ma so no akwantu apese otuno betimi atuna somdwemo amanioma ye kama enso adiamanti se Turkey se France se Japan China and also Australia be apese okobia KGT traveling and tours shipping and logistics omna be boa and into your number ye 0555 629 316 0555 629 316 nane penifoni come be about center and the bright ointment abaja so se fafa so na ahoto emra kese dompemu wedie no mo na niema enye kama enso enfama be about capsules no dwa so wa emre ewo mpem eno echi no ya na o de boni asisia no wagemo wodi eye be herbal capsules no ebetumi abo aye pebedi wasamo enso edi amaw enti oba benom beba benom amana ejie kumase atonsu obenya bi Kolinak Pharmacy have made pharmacy buso konongo polina asapon IK drugstore living omeba that's a breho nyina on sabet me akade na money 0543 646 now on a B herbal capsules and penny for din come Ahwenepa Royal Ventures be part of the royal family by decoders honey phones ne accessories no nyina okwa akwaje ewa Ahwenepa Royal Ventures some ahweye fridges refrigerators decoders no wall mount no rice cookers a demonium emphasis your more air conditioner and the eka ka nyina ajon ebe kan for Ahwenepa Royal Ventures etimi enso de amamo konongo kimpo abron sign mo ho na be hu Ahwenepa Royal Ventures na ne penifo enso edin come 0242 159621 0242 159621 nane Ahwenepa Royal Ventures wedding come Togbe Ganyo Spiritual and Herbal Center eba honhom bambo honhom aware your lucky soap budi jaria eboa ye pa oton ayento promise and fill eba asase ho sensem akwantu mu sensem eni na Togbe Ganyo Spiritual and Herbal Center ona beboa enenti ayade ahwere so school junction Honorable Togbe Ganyo wa ben rough na also so na din come 0244 132 069 0244 132 069 Bristol Plumbing and Hardware Enterprise so eka ho any plumbing items no ebuso upper PPR pipes pressure pipes no PVC pipes water hose ni na ebuso honomo and enti ye bia punuma to no majora kopem emmenenda 7 am to 6 pm and enti no obadwa so no Methodist School junction be hu Algo Russia aye park obe hu and enti your number is 0246 935 931 577 0246 931 577 Bristol Plumbing and Hardware Enterprise money come Providence Self Care we believe in nature yare ya todi etua hoka etimi enso ediamanti Providence Self Care and they free health screening no shase enra koswa kopem nyame ya doma 30th August eno aye fiada wati ase na eno kwa just 1 week impo enti bomodia na kwe Providence Self Care na ekosa ho yare ko check de ekoso wedie mu didi wonom abrani abrebia wo home enti na nyama ebia na ato ache wo nipadua no mo okọ check o blood pressure hepatitis B typhoid fever quantum analyzer ye fancy usu yen screening or how bia ye ho emfim no na ye mo waduro no free health screening no bomodia fo ni chiro chira no pa na ekwe na enyama entimi enso enye kama emfa ema number open chiro mo abe from 0245 012791 na one empenifo edin kama bibia be kama Glorious Rentals and they otis anyom no jigumu ebobo na ye oda live band no 6 and 8 band amwan enima mo live band machines no de beba plastic chairs so pebia han canopy stage light ni nyina no ebuso Glorious Rentals and entino konongo ahayem ana obetumi enso eye na oye wedding abedinto engagement ni nyina no to nsafre nyemebo wase emfama number is 0207 495 788 0207